It's more of a real world application. And so if you go to a control box, you're gonna get some level of EMF, right? But if you come to where the body is, you're probably not.
Dang, dude, that's really good.
I like that. I like the service offering. I like the product quality so far. Little pillow. So we got an unboxing of a new sauna today. It's a dome sauna, and it's a little different than the other dome saunas that I've had. I've had a Sunlighten. I've had the old company that used to make the ClEARLIGHT and the Sunlighten. Some of them were from the same manufacturers. I think this is the power box. I'm not really sure. But this one's a little different in that, are you zoomed in on this?
Mm-hmm.
So it's bigger. Look how wide this is. So I might find this to be a lot more comfortable. I hope, anyway. Yeah, this is the power box. So we got power box. I think this is the lower mat. Oh yeah. I don't know what this is. Some type of heat curtain to keep the stuff in. I don't know which way it goes either. There's probably a front and a back. Oh. Little pillow. Little sweat blanket, I think, which should be a nice touch. Oh yeah.
Looks
so
soft.
This goes over the, I think, I'm gonna read the instructions obviously, but from using these, I've had most of the brands of these in the past. They're usually all super high EMF because you're really, really close to the heaters. Mm-hmm. But hopefully this one is different. It's got some shielding in it. It's brand new. And let's get it assembled and we'll try it out. It's good quality.
Looks nice.
Yeah. If you zoom in here, this is a little bit better than some of the others. I might have to clean it a little bit. That's a nice touch. See these little rollies? That'll make it glide a little better when you slide it back and forth. So let's figure out how this goes together. This base is going to fit. Man, this is bigger than the other ones that I've had by quite a huge margin. Usually they're narrower on the shoulders. They're not this wide. See how wide this is?
It looks huge.
Yeah.
Oh, I understand how it works now. Okay. I was really confused on why those were two separate sizes.
Let's wait for Aaron. Aaron needs to understand. All right, let's get it wired up. Oh, they're labeled. That's kind of nice. I mean, it's pretty simple. It's plug and play. You just do M to M, right? They're labeled. M, M, M.
Oh, nice.
Right. These are nice though. This is a XLR connector style.
Yeah, even the cables look nice.
Yeah, it's a little better quality than some of the other ones that I've had. Well, it was the same manufacturers that were building most of these for a while, but I think this company is taking it to another level as far as doing quality control and making sure that they, do a better job in the manufacturing process. I hope.
Yeah, we're gonna find out.
I'm pretty sure that this snaps. Oh, there's two. I'm like, how come I can't get it on there? Why? Here, let me show you. Can you come underneath here a little bit? There's magnets on the back. I can feel them. I've never done this before, but I can tell.
So it just snaps right in. That's nice.
Yep.
And you're not searching around for like clips or anything.
Well, some of the other brands have Velcro, which is not that great because your hair and stuff gets stuck in it.
Yep.
I think for the purposes of the unboxing video though, we'll take this off so that you can see me fit in there.
But that's nice to have.
It is. Well, it holds the heat in.
It's really nice.
Makes it more effective. Oh yeah? Oh.
Is it off? That'll do it. The beep.
I promise you, we've done this before.
Dang, that's a nice panel.
Yeah. So we have timer. We'll go 35. We'll go lower module. I don't know if this is this intensity or I should probably read the manual. But no.
It's already together. You might as well
We just want to try it. Start.
Okay, let's see this.
Okay. I'm gonna get in.
All right. How tall are you, Matt?
About 6 feet tall. So, usually, if it wasn't for an unboxing video, I wouldn't do it like this. I'd be laying on towels, because you don't want to sweat into the machine itself.
Mm-hmm.
But generally, can you tell me how far I can go?
You're there. I mean, you're about to be off the mat. Yeah, you're off the mat now.
Off the mat?
Yeah.
Like...
Yeah, but you have another 4 inches at the bottom of the mat. So
off the mat like the M-A-T-T, or off the mat like the M-A-T?
No, M-A-T-T.
What you talking about? Don't do me like that, man. And yes, if you're wondering, this is what he has to deal with every time we do this.
But 90% of the time you're wearing a wig.
Yeah. Well, I try to make it interesting. We keep him guessing every time he comes over, you know.
I would say that if you slid down the bottom panel a little bit with your feet, like you could go down another, like I said, like 5 inches or 4 inches. You want me to just pick it up and pull it down?
No.
This looks big.
I'll show you with the EMF meter why. Because there's some shielding that's built into this that make it a little superior to the other brands. We're gonna double check it and make sure that it backs out.
Get up here and get a whole view of this thing.
Generally, huh?
I'm getting a whole view. This is nice.
I need to take your photo. So usually these dome saunas are very, very effective because you have a decent sized power supply, you have a significant portion of far infrared that wraps the entire body, and it's a small cubic footage. There's nowhere for the heat to go except to you. So dome saunas are typically very, very, very effective. For me personally, there's pros and cons to them. For one thing, I like being in a wooden sauna so I can sit up instead of lay down, but I'm usually doing something else. I use it as meditative time, I'm listening to stuff. You could do that here too. You could put headphones on, or you could play stuff, or if you really wanted to, you could read, you know. But the other thing is, I don't like to do a lot of cleanup. Sometimes you're just laying in your sweat in these things. So you do want to put down a significant portion of either a sweat blanket, some towels or things like that you can easily launder and clean, and you don't want to sweat into the equipment, no different than a wooden sauna or something like that. The cool thing about these though, if you're super limited on space, you saw how it was packaged in the box? Okay, well you can stand it up on its edge and put the two pieces together again and fold the mat up and stick it in a closet. So if you're in an apartment in Manhattan, something like this is going to be very, very, very effective for you. And so I got to talk to Zach, the owner, the guys that make these. I think there's a promotion for our subscribers as far as price. I'm pretty sure these are under $2,000, which makes them cheaper than...
Dang.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
What makes them cheaper than Sunlight and ClearLight, pretty much all the competitors. And I'm pretty sure this is going to be just as effective. Obviously, we're going to test the heck out of it. But the other competitors are like $2,600, and then you have to spend extra money to buy a pad. You have to do that. However, I think what you're going to find very interesting, and the reason that I have this, is that this is a new version of the dome sauna. And the electric fields are mitigated, the magnetic fields are mitigated, it's low VOC, and they come in multiple sizes. For people that don't have any EMF concerns and they don't believe in that, or that's not a thing for you, they also offer a cheaper version of this that doesn't have the EMF mitigation. But the nice thing and the thing that I love about this company is they're upfront about it. There's a cheaper version, it's not low EMF. If that's not important to you, here, save some money and buy this. If it is important to you, we're not going to lie to you and just tell you that it's low EMF when in fact it's only low in magnetic and the electric fields are super high. These infrared sauna domes are notoriously known to be really, really high in electric fields. You know, because you have heaters really close to your body, you have power cables and a power supply right next to you, and there's nowhere to really apply, you know, shielding. And the companies don't really want to put in the effort to do it. These guys did. They reached out to me. I said, absolutely, let me check it. I'm looking for this because if you don't want to do a DIY sauna for $300-400 bucks, you don't want to take the DIY sauna course at saunacourses.com and do yourself a little grow tent or make your own little infrared sauna heaters or enclosure, and you don't want to spend $1,200 for like a Therasage, or you don't want to spend $1,500 for something, you know, one of the other portable saunas like a Relax, or you don't want to spend, you know, $3,000 for a wooden sauna from Costco. You'd rather have something that's $5 or $6, but it's out of the budget. This could be a great middle of the road option. You know, the cheaper ones are around $1,000, sometimes less, sometimes more if there's a sale. But I'm pretty sure all Certified Sauna Community Facebook group members are going to get a group discount for this. We'll try and set something up for that. And if you decide that you want the low EMF model, it's not that much more. And at least they offer it, and it's true low EMF. It's not just low magnetic, it's low electric and low, you know, magnetic and low VOC. And the build quality, I got to tell you, is a little bit better than the competition.
Heck yeah, man. This is nice.
So I should have said in the very beginning,
dang, man.
I know it's a weird angle, but this is the only way you can show. So this is an XL dome. From the vantage point that you were at up there, this probably looks pretty big.
Yeah.
And it is. This is significantly wider than most other, you know, dome saunas on the market. It's definitely wider than their other models. The thing that I like about this is that my shoulders are not scrunched. And if I want to take my arms in and out, I have room to do that. For a person of my size, it's pretty difficult to do that on most dome saunas. And the mat, you see how wide the mat is?
It's huge.
Most of them don't have the perimeter around there. What I like about this company is that they offer the size differences. So if you're a smaller person, you don't need all this width, why do you spend the extra money? You know, if your shoulders are narrower, just to get your arms in and out and do stuff, you don't need the XL. You know, so they have different sizes, different budgets. I like that. I like the service offering. I like the product quality so far. We're going to EMF test this thing and see if it checks out. Unless the shielding goes all the way to the source, which would mean you can't take the cable out, there's going to be some little hotspot. The key is...
So if there's something that you like from today's video, or you're looking for more resources, at CertifiedSaunas.com on the homepage, there's recommended sauna resources. If you're looking for a brand, a size, a model, reviews, installation videos on how to put them together. We have step-by-step tutorials that show you how to receive a sauna, how to prep your house for it. We're trying to make it as easy as possible for you so you don't have to wade through 4 hours of YouTube video to find the exact thing that you're looking for. But a lot of times in these episodes, I'll mention sauna hats, sauna accessories, different types of electrolyte supplements. If you want to put an infrared sauna in a cold basement or unheated garage, there's accessories or additional supplemental heat that you can add to it. If you continue down, you'll find everything that you're looking for that we've mentioned today. In addition to CertifiedSaunas.com, you can go to the Facebook group, which is the Certified Sauna Community on Facebook. It's our sauna group. There's no hardcore pitching. There's thousands of members in there that offer really good advice. I learn from them every day. I'm also contributing and answering questions in there every day. In addition to that, you can go to the Amazon store. A lot of people have requested on where to buy sauna towels, sauna hats, different various supplements, minerals, electrolytes. Now we have all this in one place on various lists on this Amazon store. So you can go to this one link and everything will be right there for you. See you in the next video.